Today we're going to see about control statements in JavaScript. Control statements in JavaScript. There are two control statements in JavaScript. They may be either conditional or repetitive. Conditional statements are those statements they are executing a certain block of statements where there certain condition is true. Whereas in a repetitive statement, it will going to repetitively check a certain condition whether it is true or false. But in conditional statement, it will going to check only once, or the condition is not repetitive, right? So let me have a certain variable here, var a, which is equal to let me assign to it 78 var b, which is equal to 89. I'm just assigning variable to be 89 here. We don't have two types of variable declaration. We can use either var or late, but var is a global scope variable declaration, so we will going to use this variable declare step in this session. So let me have the first conditional statement we do have is if condition. For example, I can take here if a shift greater than b, I can print out console log a. This means that if this condition is true, all statements inside this curly brace block will be executed, so the value a will be displayed, else the statement out of this block will be executed. So let me prepare it here. Let me execute it. Since I don't have Node.js, I'm just using Node.js, so Node, then variable name count .js. Yeah, okay, let me run it. Okay, here it will not print because a is not greater than b. Let's say else out b. That's why it doesn't output anything here. I mean, sorry. Console C++, right? Console.log. I'm sorry. Yeah. What's the error I'm getting here? Console here I left E. That's why it was wrong. Let me clean the screen here. Again, I get 89 because this statement has been executed. Since it is false, so the statement in else block will be executed. So this is all about if else statement. You can use else if, for example, let me have another variable here, var c to be 50, else if I can make a condition a greater than c log a, else if b greater than c, print out console log print b else if c greater than a, I will going to print out console log c. Let me run it again. Let me clean the screen. Good. Yeah, our assignment has been displayed since a is greater than c. That's it. So our assignment has been displayed here. This statement has been executed. B is okay, good. Okay, so we can have a lot of if else if statements here. So I got that statement. So what I will going to do here, see, this is conditional statement. So if it is true, it will going to experiment, or else it will going to check this. So as it gets this statement to be true, so it will going to display out a. So no way to get here, right? No way to get here. Okay, nice. So repetitive. Let me see about repetitive statements. Here we will going to see about. Okay, first we're going to do while loop. Second, we're going to see do while loop. Third, we're going to see all about for loop. So we have start doing with while loop, where a, or I can say counter is equal to 0, while counter less than or equal to its condition. Let me make it 5 to make it simple. This means I'm just declaring the counter to be 0, and here is the condition. In while loop, the condition will going to be first checked before executing certain block of statements. So console dot log, then counter, the point here, semicolon, then after counter plus plus, or we can write here counter is equal to counter plus 1. It's the same. You can write either this or this. Here this code will going to print out the first whole numbers from 0 up to 5. So we will going to run this one. So as I'm just using Node.js, here I will show node file name is rip. Here I get 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, here I can do, let me make it 10, and I want to display out the even numbers. So I will make it counter is equal to counter plus 2. We're going to increment by 2. So first it gets 0. 0 is or even number. So it will going to increment by 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 8 and 10 will be displayed here. Okay, good. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I didn't save it. Okay. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. If I want to make it odd numbers, I will going to start with 1 and let me leave it others as it is. So let me clear screen. And yeah, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers. Here we can do it with do while loop. So I will going to bring it back here, bring it down. I will going to put semicolon. So here I will going to use do. Yeah, do this thing while this is true. This is true. So let me make it here. Okay, good. Node.js or .js. It will print up to 9. 9. Let's see what. So let me make it 11 here. Let me make it 11. So it will going to do these statements before checking whether the condition is true or false. So it will going to display out 11 and counter will going to increment by 2. So counter will be 11 plus 2, 13, and then the condition will going to be checked. When checked the condition, it is false, so it will not come back to the do block. So it will going to do the false statement for the first time, because it will going to check the condition finally. So let me run it here. Oh, sorry. Let me run it here. Yeah. Okay, I didn't save it, I think. Oh, while counter let them are equal to 10. Okay, nice. Color screen. Yeah, 11 is displayed, but 11 doesn't fit the condition here. So do while loop will going to make the false statement for the first time, because it will going to check the condition whether it is true or false finally. If we do this, what's left is for loop. For loop, we can use for loop here. For .js, I can have it. The syntax is for, then variable initialization. I can declare here I, which is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, then I plus plus. Good. Then curly brace. Here I will going to print out all the numbers from 0 to 10. So I will going to write here console.log the numbers are, then after I will going to concatenate the value here I. So let me run it here. Okay, good. Node for okay .js. Here the number is 0, the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is going to display all the numbers. I put the condition. The way this code works is that first it will going to initialize a variable to be 0. I have initialized here, I starts from 0. Then after it will going to check the condition, right? So this condition is true. If it is true, it will going to execute the whole statement is here inside the curly brace. So it will going to display the number are, or the number is I will be 0. Then after executing this block of statements in the curly brace, it will going to get back to the increment statement. Then after, it will going to check whether the condition is true or false. So here, since I is 0, it will going to increment by 1, and then I will be 1. Then it will check the condition whether it's true or false. 1 is less than or equal to 10, true. So again, this statement will be executed. So it will going to repeatedly work when the condition gets true. Here, it will going to exit from this curly brace when I will be 11, because the condition will going to be false here. So if it is false, it will going to get out from the curly brace, and it will going to execute another statement right here. So we can do just like this. Okay, good. Zero screen. Here, I got the point. Good. For example, I can print out the multiple of 5 from 0 up to. So I will going to make it it is equal to I plus 5. Sorry. Let me make it 20 here. Let me make it 20. I is equal to I plus 5. 5. These are the multiple of 5. The multiple of 5. CLS. Okay. Yeah. 0, 5, 10, 11. 15, 20 will be the answer. So we can do such statements. Thanks for watching this session today. Next, we will going to see all about the arrays, the objects in the JavaScript, as well as the validation with HTML forms and others. If you get this session, will be interested. So let's make it share, subscribe, and like, so the others will going to get the information you have got from this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.